know, like getting on the bus, brushing my teeth. Any everyday activities? I gotta look at you so I can see. Any everyday activities? Everyday activities? Huh? Clipping your toenails. Clipping your toenails.
Talking on the phone.
Any more activities, guys? Stealing? You don't steal every day.
Cleaning her ears with Q-tips.
Flirting.
Flirting. Flirting. Flirting's good. We're gonna do flirting. I am flirting. Good.
Ready, worn, and seen.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me. You're so masculine. Oh, flowers for me? Oh, let me just smell them. The pollen's in my throat. I'm allergic. Sorry. Oh, chocolate too? Oh, thank you. I think I gotta go.